Okay, what number is that?
45.
Okay, and what number is this?
73.
And what number is that?
23.
Okay, and what number is?
Hurry.
I'm hurrying. Is that?
96.
Oh my goodness. Okay, what number is this? Oh man, we missed the last one. That was fast. What's our last number?
Let's do this one.
At Alphabeteer, FunBrainLearning is so much fun. I learn to read and write and count while I jump and play and run. We're